Hello everyone. Let's continue with the next that class B, right? So we were discussing about the class B. For class A, this is the case that for class A reserved bit is 0 and network number of networks are 2 power 7 minus 2 and number of hosts are 2 power 24 minus 2 and range is what it is 1 to 126. This is the range for class A, right? So here we have divided into two classes, two partitions, and this is given to class A. Here it is 0, here it is 1, right? And 0 is a reserved bit for the class A. Now what about the class B? For class B, again I want to divide into two partitions. So two partitions means we again require the 1 bit. So with the help of 1 bit we can do two partitions. So here it is 0 and here it is 1, right? So here it is 1 1 and this partition is given to the class B. Okay, so here it is class B, and in case of class B reserved bit is 1 0. So here it is a reserved bit, 1 0 is the reserved bit. And now we want to find out the number of network in case of class B. Okay, so if we talk about class B, this is the case. Here first octet, after that second octet, third octet and fourth octet. Here 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit and 8 bit. So in case of class B, these two octets are used for the network ID and remaining two are used for the host ID. Okay, it is used for the host ID. Now I want to find out the number of networks. Number of networks means 8 plus 8, 16 bit. Out of that 2 bits are reserved, we cannot make change. So 16 minus 2, that is 14. So 14 bits are there. With the help of 14 bits, how many number are possible? It is 2 power 14 numbers are possible, and will not subtract anything from this one because there is no special kind of address here, right? So no special address. Now what about the next thing, number of host? So number of host we can find out with this one. So total number of bits are 8 plus 8, 16 bits are there. So here it is 16 bits. With the help of 16 bits, how many hosts are possible? It is 2 power 16 minus 2 number of hosts possible. 2 power 16 minus 2 number of hosts possible. Now we need to find out the range, right? So range means we require the minimum number and the maximum number, and range we can find out with the help of first octet only. So in the first octet 2 bits are reserved, it is 1 0. So here it is 1 and 0, this is fixed. Now remaining places are 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 6 places are remaining. So all 6 places I will put a 0 for the minimum number. I will put a 0 for a minimum number, right? So here it becomes 128. Wait for this one is 128, so it become 128, right? What about next one? Just a minute. So it is 128. And what about the maximum number? For maximum number, here it is 10 is fixed and 6 places are remaining. It is 3 4 5 6. 6 places are remaining. It means I will put all ones to the 6 places for the maximum number, right? And what is the value of this one? Now we can calculate the value for this one is 128, and weight for this one is 64, and after 64 all are 1 means it is 63. So here it is 63 and we'll add 63 and 128. So 63 plus 128, it become 191, right? So here value is 191. So this is what the range for the class B. So range for class B is what? It is 128 to 191. Okay, so now you can take screenshot. Is it fine? Yes, what about others? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next one. Next is the class C. So here again, just a minute. So here this is what this piece of cake is remaining, right? And I want to divide this piece of cake to two persons. So again I require one more bit, right? So here I want to divide into two pieces. So we require one more bit. Here it is 1, sorry, here it is 0, and here it is 1. Okay, so this partition is given to the class C, and this is what the reserved bit for the class C. So in case of class C, reserved bit is 1 1 and 0. 1 1 and 0, this is what the reserved bit. What about the number of networks? So here it is 1 2 3 4. There are 4 octets, and octet means 8 bit. So this, in case of class C, these 3 octets are used for the network ID, and this octet is used for the host ID. Okay, so these 3 octets are used for the network ID, and this octet is used for the host ID. Now with the help of 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 bits. So 24, out of that 3 bits are reserved, means we'll subtract 3 from this one, so remaining is 21. So how many networks are there with the help of 21 bit? So with the help of 21 bit, it is 2 power 21 networks are possible. So 2 power 21 networks are possible. What about the number of hosts? Yes, tell me, how many hosts will be there? Okay, 2 power 8 minus 2. Okay, good. So it is 2 power 8 minus 2, because there are 8 number of bits used for the host ID. So with the help of 8 bits, how many hosts are possible? It is 2 power 8 minus 2 host possible, right? So it is 2 power 8 minus 2 number of host possible, right? What about the range? Now we need to find out the range. Let's see. Now let's see the range. So here range for class B is 128 to 191. Now range for the class C. This is what we can find out the range with the help of first octet. So first octet is what? Double one 0, and after that how many places are remaining? It is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 places are remaining. For the minimum number I will put all zeros. So here it is zeros, right? And calculate the value. What will be the value for this one? For value for this one is 128, and value for this one is 64. So 128 plus 64 is what? It is 192. So value for this one is 192. Now we need to find out the maximum range. What will be the maximum number, right? So here it is 110, and after that 5 places are remaining. It is 3, 4 and 5 places are remaining, and I will put all ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times 1, right? Now find out the value for this one. What will be the value of this one? Tell me. What will be the value of this one? Tell me. 223. So till this part it is 192, and here it is 32. After 32 all are 1, right? After 32 all are 1. ये क्या है? 192. After this one all are 1 means 31. So 192 plus 31, it becomes 223. So value for this one is 223, and this is the range for the class C. Is it fine to all? Now you can take screenshot. Okay, fine. Now let's see the next thing, that is the class D. So here this partition is remaining, right? This piece of cake is remaining. Now I want to divide this piece of cake to 2 portions. Again we require 1 bit, right? So here I will put 0, and here I will put 1, right? So this is what the reserved bit for the class D, and this is what the reserved bit for the class E, right? These are the bits for the reserved bit for the class D and E. Now for class D, reserved bit is 3 times 0, 3 times 1 then 0, 3 times 1 then 0, and for class E, reserved bit is 3 times 4 times 1s, 4 times 1s, right? What about the number of networks and number of hosts in class D and E? There is no concept of number of network, number of host in case of class D and E. So we need to find out the range only. Now let's find out the range with the help of first octet only. So in case of range, we'll take the first octet. So in the first octet, these bits are reserved. So 1 1 and 1 0, it is reserved. So how many places remaining? 4 places are remaining. 4 places remaining. Okay, for the minimum number I will put all zeros. Then what will be the value for this one? So here this is 128, after that 64, after that 32, and if we add all these it becomes 224. And what about the maximum value of this one? So maximum is, it is 1110, and here it is 1 2 3 4, right? I will put all ones for the maximum number, right? So what is the value for this one? Till this part it is 224, here it is 16, after 16 all are ones, that is 15, right? तो add 15 here. So add करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? it is 139. So value for this one is 139. Okay, so this is what the range for the class D. Now we need to find out the range for the class E. So you can take screenshot and confirm me, is it clear or not? It is 239. Sorry, it is 239. Yeah, of course. Okay, fine. Now let's see the range for the class E. For class E, 4 times 1, this is what reserved, and I will put all ones for the all zeros for the minimum number, right? So what it becomes 240, right? If we calculate this one, we'll get that 240. And what about the next one? Next is highest number. So what is the highest number? It is 1 2 3 4 and 4, and 4 places are remaining. It is 3 4. So I will put all ones for the maximum number, all ones for the maximum number. Then what is the maximum number? If we calculate this one, we'll find that it is 255, and this is what the range for the class E. Okay, so finally we got the range for all the classes, class A, B, C, and D and E. Okay, so you can take screenshot and now confirm me, is it clear or not? Okay, fine. So what type question they may ask from this one? They may ask the simple question like for the class A, what is the reserved bit, right? So this is what the reserved bit. And for class A, what are the number of network possible? It is 2 power 7 minus 2 number of 2 number possible, right? And what are the number of host possible? That is 2 power 24 minus 2 host possible. And what is the range for the class A, right? And like that they may ask the question that what is the reserved bit for the class C, what are the number of network, what are the number of host, what is the range for this one, and so on. So such type questions they may ask from this one. Okay, now next thing, that if it is class A, class B, and class C, these three are used for the unicasting purpose, right? They are used for the unicast purpose. Unicasting means there is one to one relationship, right? Unicasting means there is a one to one relationship. How it is one to one relationship? Means this system and here another system, and they are communicating, right? So this system is sending a packet or communicating with this system, right? So this one system is sending packet to another system, another one system, right? In such a case there is one to one relationship, right? So A, B, and C, they are used for the unicast purpose, right? So is it fine or not? Clear. Okay, fine. Now next is class D. That class D is used for the multicasting purpose, right? It is used for multicasting. So multicasting means, assume that this is a system and here another system. These are the systems, right? So this system is transmitting to this one, right? In that case it is multicasting, or it can transmit to this one also, it is multicasting, and it can transmit to all the persons, then it is multicasting. Multicasting means a person that can transmit a packet to more than two persons, right? So it may transmit to three persons, it may transmit to four person, or entire network also. So this is the case of multicasting. As you can think like you are sending a message to particular persons, right? So you will choose the person from the list of persons and you will send the message to that one. So there is also the multicasting, and you can send message to all the contacts, that then also it is the multicasting, right? So here it is multicasting. Now tell me, multicasting is clear or not? Okay, so you can take screenshot. After that, next concept is the broadcasting. So what do you understand by the broadcasting? So broadcasting means that this system, assume that this system is X. This system X is transmitting a packet to all the persons, right? A, B, C, D, E, and F, right? All these persons. Then we are saying that it is a broadcasting, right? So we can say it is doing the broadcasting. Okay. So one to all means it is broadcasting. एक पर्सन सबको ट्रांसमिट करेगा, मतलब ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. एंड मल्टीकास्टिंग मीन्स वन टू मैनी मीन्स there is a choice, it can transmit to two persons, four persons, 8 person, and all persons. Now tell me that if this is the case, here it is broadcasting, here it is multicasting, and here it is multicasting, here it is broadcasting, which diagram is the correct representation? Yes, let me write down the, here it is diagram D1, here diagram D2. Which diagram is the valid one? And firstly confirm me, this broadcast is clear or not? Okay, D1 and D2. Okay, D1 is right answer. D1 is right answer. Okay, let's understand. So let's understand the story of D1. So here a person is standing at this place, right? At this place means this is the area for the broadcasting, and this is also the area for multicasting. It means if someone is here, it means it is broadcasting, also it is multicasting. It means broadcasting is also the multicasting. It is the right one. What about this one? If it is multicasting, it need not be broadcasting. Yes, definitely. Multicasting means it may be transmitting to only A, B, and C, three persons, right? So it is doing multicasting, but it is not the broadcasting. So this diagram is valid. So D1 is the valid diagram. What about this one? If it is multicasting, then it is also broadcasting. No, because here it is I am sending to A, B, and C only. So here it is broadcasting, sorry, multicasting. Here it is multicasting, but it is not the broadcasting. So we can say if it is a multicasting, it need not be broadcasting. It means this diagram is not a correct. So diagram D2 is not a correct. Now tell me, is it fine? Now you can take screenshot. Okay, fine. And what about the class E? Class E, that is reserved for research and development, right? For future perspective, it is reserved for research and development. And I hope it is fine till this part. Now let's see the next thing. Next thing is the mask. So mask is what? It is a mathematical tool. Mask is a mathematical tool. Is a